Okay, so Ash just left on his way back home, riding all the way to Texas. So that is the true definition of a rider bike, and it's something that we specialize in here. Obviously, it's a rider bike because he's riding across the country. So we try and make sure that the bike sounds really good and it plays loud and you could hear it on the highway. And even though we had mid-base drivers in his bags, he was able to pack both saddlebags, his tour pack, and strapped a backpack to the top of his tour pack. So this is the reason people buy baggers, is to be able to enjoy them. So when we build bikes, we build rider bikes, we build parking lot pimps, and we build competition bikes. So you have to understand what your client's needs are and be able to design something for him that works. So this worked out really, really well for Ash. And that's proof because he's literally putting 2,000, almost 3,000 miles on his bike this week going back home. And he did the same thing coming here. So the speakers we use are weatherproof, wiring solid, bike serviceable. So there's quick disconnects on the bags. The disconnects are waterproof. It's just, we made sure that the bike was serviceable. We made sure the install was solid. We made sure that the amps wouldn't overheat. Made sure everything was bolted down. We added the most amount of sound we could add while minimizing the amount of luggage space that we took up. So 2/8 in the bag still gave him 2/3 of his bag space. The 1200.2 up against the back of the tour pack still gave him 90% of his tour pack space. You guys saw in the video, his bags were completely packed when he left, and the music was playing full volume. We've tested it for over an hour. Amps didn't overheat. He's got a Braille battery under the seat, so he's got plenty of reserve current. I'm really proud of this build. I'm glad we were able to knock it out for him in the weekend, and hopefully I'll see him in the future for more upgrades. So under the seat has been completely cleaned up. All right, so everything is neatly tucked away. T-harness, 800.4, 400.4, DSP. While we had it, we upgraded his gauges to Dakota Digital. Flashed the GTS radio. Now he has CarPlay. Now he's got CarPlay and Android Auto. All the wiring under the seat is cleaned up. Added the NVS audio lighting kit. Step on the brake, everything turns red. Release the brake, goes back to colors. Cleaned up the wiring in the bag. He's all loaded up, ready for his trip. And we even added some 8-inch mid-base drivers in the bag. Everything's bolted down. 632, 632. We swapped out the tweeters for short throat ones that no longer hit the metal. And then we wrapped them to make sure nothing touches the terminal. So everything's solid. Okay, we got this system sounding so good that he decided to go ahead and add 8-inch mid-base drivers in the bags. So we have a little 1200.2 bridge running those, giving us 600 watts a side to our Hertz 200Ls. And then the best part is he could still get his luggage in there. Now this is a rider bike. It's all buttoned up. She's ready to go home. his way home. Did we do a good job for you?
Awesome.
You're super happy?
Oh, yeah.
All right, ride safe. Thanks for trusting us.
Appreciate you.
Text me when you get home.